Is MakeMKV Multimedia Bridge, Libmmbd, crashing because of the Libmmbd module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. As we get into the manual process for Libmmbd module, you can find a professional maintenance utility for environment stability. This is the Libmmbd module, a specialized library used to decrypt commercial Blu-ray and DVD movie streams. It is a common dependency for media players, like VLC, to play encrypted discs. Without it, the media player will report disk is encrypted or will fail to open the media stream entirely. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. Libmmbd acts as a vital connection for MakeMKV Multimedia Bridge, Libmmbd operations, and downloading a fresh installer for the program showing the error is the only way to repair the damaged binaries found in the app folder. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Libmmbd module component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Technical warning: many online file mirrors provide versions of Libmmbd module DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. To minimize background load and improve stability, the diagnostic kit linked in the description includes Libmmbd module documentation. To keep Libmmbd module running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.